Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OnePlus 10T, and now I can show you how to bypass factory reset protection on this device. Okay, firstly you need to connect to any Wi-Fi network with internet access. So click Start, Agree, Skip. And as you can see, I can't bypass connect to Wi-Fi screen on this device because this device is blocked by factory reset protection. So now I need to connect to any Wi-Fi network. So connect to Wi-Fi network and go back to Welcome Creator. Now click Vision Settings, click Select to Speak.
Talk back on.
Volume talk back down. Cool. Now you need to write mirrored L on your screen. Not L, not normal L, but mirrored L. Now click while using the app. Click it twice. Click Use Voice Commands. And when you will click it twice, you will need to say to your phone, open Google Assistant, then open YouTube. Open Google Assistant. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Cool. Now press and hold together volume up and volume down.
Press and hold both volume
Click
keys for
turn on, click it twice, then hold volume up and down again.
talk back off.
Cool, tag back off. Now we need to click on the icon button on the top right corner, click on it, then choose Settings, About and Google Privacy Policy. Click Accept, not thanks. And now just open our website. So enter HardReset.Info, but now type / and bypass. Click enter. Then just scroll down, find the settings app here, click on this icon, and as you can see, we are in Settings application. Now just scroll down, click System Settings, scroll down again, click Backup and Reset, click Reset Phone, erase all data, and click Erase Data, Erase Data. And now wait until your phone will erased. Cool. Now just click Start, Agree, Skip, and as you can see, now we can bypass Setup Wizard Wi-Fi connection screen. We can set up our device offline now. Just click Setup Offline, Continue, Next, scroll down, click Accept, Agree, Skip anyway, apply, next, done, start, and cool. As you can see, Google factory reset protection was successfully bypassed on our OnePlus 10T device, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.